Because of a very little effort for success at the earliest based on his mind, he is considered as a unique entrepreneur. Sandeep Maheshwari, complete biography and life journey. Who is Sandeep Maheshwari? An Indian entrepreneur, photographer, and motivational speaker. Sandeep Maheshwari is a renowned name among youngsters. He is also a founder and CEO of ImageBazaar.com, the largest collection of the Indian stock images that have made him one of the fastest growing entrepreneurs in India. This site holds a collection of more than 1 lakh Indian models with 1,100 photographers. Because of a very little effort for success at the earliest based on his mind, he is considered as a unique entrepreneur. Besides, he is very famous for his inspirational free life-changing seminar. He has over 10 million followers on his YouTube channel, inspiring people across the world. Biodata. Name Sandeep Maheshwari. Sandeep Maheshwari father name Rupkishore Maheshwari. Sandeep Maheshwari mother's name Shakuntala Rani Maheshwari. Sandeep Maheshwari wife name Neha Maheshwari. Also girlfriend before marriage. Sandeep Maheshwari date of birth 28 September 1980. Hometown New Delhi. Age 39 years. College Kidori Mal College, New Delhi. Hobbies photography, sports, public speaking. Early life and family. Sandeep Maheshwari was born on 28 September 1980 in New Delhi. He was a reserved guy in school and did not have many friends in his school up to the 10th standards. He was so low in self-esteem at that point of time that his positive thoughts used to be overpowered by negatives. 11th standard was the turning point of his when he met Neha. They both became friends and their trust in each other grew with time. After 12th, he starts his graduation Kidori Mal College, but he could not complete his graduations because of some personal issue. The financial condition of his family was not good when he was just in 9th standard. After the 12th exam, he started his first business as a help center to help 12 pass out students to choose their career and print many pamphlets with the title What to Do After 12th. For this, he tied up with an institute called NIS, National Institute of Sales and Marketing. NIS offered Sandeep 20% commissions if he referred the program of NIS to someone else. At NIS, there were role players, GD presentations and debates. It helped him interact with more and master his skill that helped him a lot and a long run. Sandeep Maheshwari business rise to a stardom. As a young man, Sandeep initially joined his family aluminium business that later collapsed. To support his family financially, Sandeep started doing everything he could, from joining a marketing agency to manufacturing and marketing household products. This period, he drops out of the college and embarks on the journey of learning the subject of life. He was just 19 years old when he has just career as a model, but he got disappointed a lot due to the rampant harassment and explorations of the modeling industry. Because of his negative experience, he decided to do something and bring positive change in the modeling, and he started working as a freelance photographer to support aspiring models. Later, he established his own company named Mass Audio Visuals Private Ltd and used to make portfolios. In 2002, he along with his 3 friends started a new company, but that did not thrive and was eventually shut down. But Sandeep was not ready to stop. In 2003, he wrote a book on marketing and came up with a consultancy firm. Here he again failed and had to return to photography. The same year, he created a world record by taking more than 10,000 shots on 122 models in 10 hours and 45 minutes. In 2006, he took the foundations of ImageBuzzer. That time it was a small idea. He was multitasking that time and worked as a photographer, telecaller and counselor by himself. His journey continued and he began measuring the success path. Now ImageBuzzer has become the largest hub of Indian picture in the world with over 1 million images, more than 7,000 clients and across 45 countries. Presently, Sandeep also runs two YouTube channels under the names Sandeep Maheshwari and Sandeep Maheshwari Spirituality, respectively. Major awards won by Sandeep Maheshwari. One of the India's most promising entrepreneurships, Creative Entrepreneur of the Year 2013, Young Creative Entrepreneur Award, Star Youth Achiever Award, Pioneer of the Tomorrow Award. He also been featured in almost all the leading magazines, newspaper and television channels such as the Economic Times, Subhash Chandra Show, NDTV, India Today, CNBC TV 18, IBN 7 and more. Sandeep Maheshwari has written many quotes on motivations for students on life for entrepreneurs. Here are some of the famous motivational quotes of Sandeep Maheshwari. Sandeep Maheshwari motivational quotes. If you are searching for the persons who will change your life, take a look in the mirror. Don't be too serious about what you think. It's just a point of view. If you are searching for that persons who will change your life, take a look in the mirror. Success always hugs you in private, but failure always slaps you in public. That's life. Learn to control your thoughts, or your thoughts will control you. Sandeep Maheshwari recommended books: Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, The Magic of Thinking Big by David J. Schwartz, The Power of Positive Thinking by Norman Vincent Peale, Chicken Soups for the Unsinkable Soul, Who Moved by My Cheese by Spencer Johnson. Sandeep Maheshwari book's PDF version in Hindi as English is also available on his website and can be downloaded from there.